Welcome to Alvian House, where we turn everyday spaces into dream homes. Today, we're diving into the secrets of how to make your home look luxurious without spending a fortune. From clever IKEA hacks to styling secrets, we're showing you how to achieve high-end design on a real-world budget. The psychology of looking luxe. Luxury isn't always about price. It's about perception. It's the way elements are combined to create harmony, balance, and richness in a space. High-end interiors often use symmetry, curated decor, and a clear color story. When your home looks intentional and cohesive, it naturally feels expensive. Start by removing visual clutter. Invest time, not just money, in styling your space, like folding throws neatly or creating symmetry with lamps. IKEA furniture, when chosen wisely, can act as the perfect canvas. A simple white Billy bookcase becomes high-end when styled with neutral books, ceramics, and layered lighting. The goal? Less mess, more finesse. High-low styling, mixing budget with bougie. The art of affordable luxury lies in the high-low mix. Pair a $30 IKEA side table with a vintage lamp or a designer-inspired mirror. Use texture to bridge the gap. Combine linen curtains with velvet cushions or faux fur with matte metals. Your eye is naturally drawn to standout pieces, so splurge strategically. A chic floor lamp or a sculptural vase elevates the entire room. Even hardware can transform the feel of a space. Swap IKEA handles for brushed brass or matte black pulls. That's a $10 upgrade that feels like a $100 difference. IKEA hacks that look like custom builds. Some of the most luxurious-looking homes are built around budget staples, especially IKEA. The secret is in customization. Take the Malm dresser and add trim molding and custom legs for a bespoke look. Paint the Ivar cabinet in a moody tone like forest green or charcoal, and it instantly feels high-end. Install floating Billy bookcases from wall to wall for a built-in library look. Add puck lighting, glass doors, and voila, instant luxury. Even kitchen islands made with IKEA base cabinets and a quartz countertop can rival premium designs. Lighting like a designer. Nothing says luxury like great lighting. It adds warmth, drama, and elegance. Swap basic bulbs for soft white or warm-toned LEDs. Layer your lighting. Ambient from overhead fixtures, task lighting for workspaces, and accent lighting to highlight decor. IKEA's Cinelig pendant lamp or Hectar series are affordable yet stylish choices. Dimmer switches are another affordable upgrade that instantly changes the mood. And don't forget candles. Even battery-operated ones in elegant holders can bring a cozy, upscale glow to any room. Affordable art and statement pieces. Art is often the wow factor in luxury interiors, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Frame large-scale prints from Etsy or DIY a textured canvas with plaster and paint. Lean artwork instead of hanging it for a casual luxe vibe. Oversized mirrors, especially arched ones, reflect light and make spaces feel grand. Even IKEA's minimalist frames like the Ribber can be used to create a sleek gallery wall. The key is scale. Bigger pieces make a bigger statement. Textiles and finishes that feel expensive. Luxury is often felt more than seen. Think plush rugs, crisp bedding, and heavy drapes. IKEA offers affordable options, but how you layer them makes the difference. Use king-size pillows on a queen bed. Tuck in your duvet hotel style, and add a throw in a contrasting texture. In the living room, layer rugs, like a jute base with a soft patterned one on top. Upgrade IKEA sofa covers with slip covers from third-party brands in Luxe fabrics. These small choices amplify the comfort and richness of your space. Final touches: scents, styling, and serenity. Finally, finish your luxe look with the small details. Use matching containers for toiletries and pantry items. Visual uniformity is key. Add greenery with faux or real plants in sculptural pots. And don't forget scent. Candles, diffusers, or incense add a signature atmosphere. Keep surfaces curated. Group items in odd numbers and include something tall, something low, and something with texture. With thoughtful touches, even a basic IKEA table can feel like part of a designer showroom. The secret to making your home look expensive isn't money, it's intention. It's about choosing elements that speak to your style, layering textures, and styling with care. From a $10 candle to a reimagined IKEA dresser, every detail counts. So whether you live in a studio apartment or a suburban home, remember, luxury is in how you treat your space. Thanks for watching Alvian House. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more affordable design tips that look anything but budget.